It looks like you are outlining a highly specific geopolitical and cultural framework, likely a strategic map for the UNIAACL-EACL, Universal Negro Improvement Association African Communities League, or a similar Pan-African organizational structure. Your notes connect ancient empires, Mossi, Kanem-Bornu, with modern administrative hubs and specific Igbo cultural nodes across the diaspora, JAX DET, Indi. Strategic regional breakdown? Based on your list, here is how these base regions and alliances are being categorized. Region hash, primary focus / base. Key alliances and emblems. Number 1. Number 2. Secondary global hubs. South India, Madagascar, West Papua, Vanuatu. Number 3. Number 4. East African Core. Busoga State, Uganda. EAC-IGAD. Ateker State, Kanem-Bornu. Number 5. Sahel / West African empires. Mali Empire, Bamako, Mossi Empire, Wagadugu, Borgu Mande. Number 6. Number 7. Igbo Heartland emblems, Mbaise, Nsukka, Nnewi, and Nnewi. The ritual and industrial engines. Number 8. Number 10. The American base, JAX, Florida per Mega-Siemens. NOLA, Memphis Street, Lewis, Onitsha sister city. Key observations. The Igbo-Sahel nexus. You've explicitly linked the Sahel Alliance, likely referring to the AES Alliance of Sahel states, with Igbo-led initiatives. This suggests a trade or political corridor stretching from the Gulf of Guinea through the interior. The Kazungula Alliance. This is a critical geographic quadrupoint. Botswana, Namibia, Zambia, Zimbabwe. Including this suggests a focus on Southern African transit and logistics. Diaspora HQ, Region Number 9. The DC-PHILA-NYC corridor remains the diplomatic and administrative HQ, specifically noting the leadership of the Igbo community in Kwanzaa and unified black community efforts. Sister city logistics. The mention of Indianapolis Onitsha is significant. Onitsha is home to one of the largest markets in Africa. Linking it to a U.S. Midwest hub, Indi, creates a direct market-to-market pipeline. Missing elements and potential next steps. 1. Onitsha emblem. You noted that Indianapolis does not have an Onitsha emblem yet. This is a clear gap in the symbolic representation of that sister city relationship. 2. AME Church integration. In Region Number 8, JAX, Florida, the AME Church is listed as the primary connector. This highlights the role of spiritual infrastructure in the UNIAACL-EACL framework. Would you like me to help draft a formal proposal for the Onitsha emblem design, or perhaps